Hi, I'm Caitlin from My Gal Friday, and today I'm going to show you how to clean water stains off of fabric. So the first thing that you're going to need is a stained piece of fabric. You're going to need some water, a rag, and an iron. With water stains, the best thing to do is to get it right away because once they've left their mark, it's sort of just a matter of trying to blend it in. So when you have a fresh water stain, you want to take a dry rag, you can use this one, and start blotting it. You don't want to blow dry it or iron it to get the water out right away because it's going to leave a really defined mark. So what you want to do is take your rag and get it damp, just wring it out, and blot all around the water stain. You're sort of trying to take away the definition from the edge of the stain. So once you've done that, you want to take, you can use this rag I guess still, we'll use a dry part, place it over the tie, or whatever your fabric is that's stained. You want to take an iron. And normally when you're using silk, you want to use a really low setting, if at all. I mean, I don't iron silk, but if you had to, it would definitely be as low as possible. But because we're covering it with a cotton rag, you can put it up a little bit higher, and that will expedite the process. So I'm going to turn my iron to about medium, and then you just press it down over where your stain is. And you want to use this, probably takes about 10 minutes of just heating this up, and you're basically evaporating the water that you've sort of smeared over the water stain. I'm Caitlin from My Gal Friday, and I've just shown you how to remove a watermark from fabric using things that you have at home.